Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you that how you can use image links in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is to upload an image in your Midjourney bot. So here you can see that I have uploaded this image in my Midjourney bot. You can upload your picture by clicking on this plus button and then click on upload a file. So once your image is uploaded, just click on your image to open that and then right click and click the copy link button. Now you have the link for your image. What you are going to do is just close the image, scroll down, and here in the text box, just type /imagine. Press the tab and it will do it for you. Now paste the link that we just copied right from our image. Now give a space and here you can just type in your prompt. So let's suppose I want to type here convert into avatar. So once you have entered your prompt, just press the enter key and it will generate the results for you. So that's how you will be able to use links of images in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.